If you want to maintain your privacy while using Paramount Plus, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the Paramount Plus app. Launch the Paramount Plus app on your device or visit the Paramount Plus website on your browser. Step 2. Sign in. Log into your Paramount Plus account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to modify. Step 3. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Look for the privacy settings section within your account settings. This section may be labeled as privacy, account privacy, or something similar. Step 5. Adjust online status. Locate the option to hide your online status. Toggle the setting to disable visibility to other users, ensuring that your online activity remains private. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Paramount Plus. Enjoy your viewing experience without worrying about others seeing when you're online.